Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidelines from these readings, and if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. Gemini. What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? What are the Gemini person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Gemini? Hanged Man, Hermit, Five of Wands, King of Swords. What are the Gemini's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards this person? What are the Gemini's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards this person? What are the Gemini's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards this person? Three of Swords, High Priestess, Death, Four of Cups. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? Four of Wands, Magician. These are your cards and sign that could relate to your person. Pisces with this High Priestess, Scorpio with this Death, Virgo with this Hermit card, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this King of Sword, Three of Sword, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Four of Cups, Aries with you, Sagittarius with this Five of Wands, Four of Wands, and Pisces with this Hanged Man. Let's talk about your person's feeling here, Gemini. And your person is stuck somewhere and really everything is delay. This person is totally stuck and they don't know what should they do about the situation, and they are in the middle of some kind of discussion. People, gossip, whispers, rumors, and competition feel towards you. They think it's really hard to make their place in this all kind of competition. And with this this Hermit card, this person, they think like that you are distancing yourself from them, you turn your back from them, you are not talking to them. I guess you are not dealing with this person anymore. That's why this person is stuck, and they are just in conflicts and fight and drama and people and competition, and they think you are totally back off from them, and you are really rough and tough, straightforward, logical, paying attention on your other area of your life, and you are really straightforward, no emotions and feelings, just not entirely you showing this person like you are emotionless, but not even emotions showing any feelings. You are really straightforward and logical and thinking, just answering this person. Maybe you talking to this person but not in the way they want you to talk. You are just thinking logically and straightforward and tough, giving this person strict poses, and they think no feelings in them, in you for them, and you distance yourself. You put some kind of distance between this person and you, and this person feels some kind of competition towards you, and this person is really stuck right now. The current situation may be their family in the middle of some kind of fight and conflict, and it's all about their family and their folks, and you heartbroken, Gemini. Something is not good inside your chest with this red thing we call heart. Your heart is in pain. You are not good. Some kind of ending. Sometimes things totally changed. We can't undo this history or change. It happens. Maybe you don't want that, this level of change. You just want, you give a little bit, you want a bit change, but it's totally transformed, it's totally flipped, totally ended. So you can't reverse that, you can't undo that. We can't change our history, so it's ended. And the reason this ending, this totally turning table, this dead end, giving you a painful experience. And but you know your value, your worth, this emptiness, this pain there in your heart, but you know your value. You are trusting your intuitions and your instincts, and you think you should not give or receive any kind of emotions and feelings. Whatever you got, you are totally dedicated, determined, and focus on this thing. Maybe you really don't want to lose you, you your peace of mind. You don't want to take risk. If you can't risk your peace of mind, so you are totally reserved, rejecting all of the emotions and feelings. You are not even accepting your own emotions, even your heartbreak situation. This heartbroken broken is also a feel, also a emotion, and you really don't accepting even these feelings, because whatever you got this really after a very struggle. So you really don't want to give up on these things like that. So you are really focused on your things, and you are totally, your value, your worth, your what you want to do and what should you do, all of it. The required information, the needed information, you got everything. You sometimes you think it's too much. You don't want that level of transformation. That's why you are heartbroken. This person think like that. You are happy at your place, and you are celebrating with your friends and family. You manifesting on something and want to control the situation. You are manifesting and controlling all your feelings, your thoughts, your passion, your finances. You want to control everything. So you are manifesting and you are controlling your life. You are the one who is the control of the leader of your life. Let's see what else we have for you, Gemini, and what the outcome. What else we have for Gemini and what's the outcome? Judgment, Tower, and oh wow, Two of Cups. This person wants second chance and you are shocked. You're totally surprised. This person looking for a second chance and they realize something, some kind of awakening call in this person, and they want to talk to you, table talk. And when you find out, it's completely a shocking situation for you. It's a really surprising for you. And then you feel like that everything is falling apart. The foundation of this relationship not that strong. So how the broken, shattered, turn into pieces and ashes, how can you make these things, put these things back together? Some kind of shocking news for you, and this person wants second chance and some kind of reunion between you and this person, or maybe your desired person. You want to reunite, and there is a reunion between you two. This is the card when two people think that they made for each other. When once you deeply realize that we made for each other, you are the one, we are the being us, meant to be. So there is a reunion, or maybe a realization from both sides. We meant to be together, and we guys made for each other, no matter how much we different, our cultures, our religion, even our lands different from each other, but we guys made for each other. Love put us together. This kind of realization in upcoming days with this Two of Cups. This is a really amazing card. And if it's not like that, then the other possibility, you want soulmate connection, that kind of connection in your life. Let's see what else we have for you, Gemini, and what should you do about this shock. We are having here Seven of Cups, Four of Cups again, and the Devil. This person is confused. They don't know what should they choose, what should they pick, and what should they drop. A lot of options in front of them. They're confused about you and this matter. You, what should you do? You are not receiving anything. Just keep doing that. You are really stubborn here. It's hard to convince you. You are totally stubborn, you are reserved, you really don't want to compromise the things you already have. And that's the reason there is an upcoming days some kind of obsessive energy will surround you. This person going to get obsessed over you, you going to get obsessed over all of this situation. and there is some kind of toxic energies and karmic soulmate kind of connection. This is the soulmate connection, and this is the karmic soulmate connection. When we, somehow, when we involve with the person that totally in a positive way, angelic way, your soulmate, and then we fall in love a person who totally in a devilish way meant to be in your life. So there is a soulmate and karmic soulmate connection. You got both. So these soulmate connection, when it's turned, when it's flipped, it's become toxic and devilish with this devil card. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading, Gemini. As your honor and follow the guidance of your heart, prosperity is coming to you now. Wow, such an amazing and most relevant message from your angel. Let's see what else we have for you. Confess. Wow. Pray to the God for peace in your life. Pray. Make peace with your memories, no matter whether it's good or it's bad. These are few advice messages in the end and summary of your reading. Is this person stuck on you and stuck with this fake drama? People, discussion, fighting, and this you reserve yourself and you're really cold towards them. And this person want to have a second chance with you. Some kind of confusion. You are really stubborn here. Even your heart is broken. You never want that kind of change, but now you are really stubborn and not receiving anything from anybody. And this soulmate connection turn and flip into a karmic soulmate connection. Obsessed energies. Maybe there is a reunion, or maybe there is a thought of reunion, but this is a karmic soulmate connection as well. These are some of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.